Hello friends, this is my second IoT video presentation, and in today's presentation what I will be showing is something different. What's the different stuff? Here I have created one web page, and that web page will be providing value to ThinkSpeak. So that means I have created a web page which I will show you, and through that web page I will be supplying value to the IoT platform ThinkSpeak. And then once I update the value in the ThinkSpeak, I have my NodeMCU connected over here, which is again connected with a relay module. The moment a value gets uploaded in the ThinkSpeak, automatically that value will be detected by my NodeMCU, and then NodeMCU will trigger the relay, which eventually will enable this particular bulb right over there. Okay, so this bulb should be on or should be off. So that's my target. So here is my NodeMCU sketch which I will be uploading, and before I upload, let me show you, this is my channel ID in the ThinkSpeak 723135, and that's the number which is over here. And I will now choose the board is correctly chosen as NodeMCU. Let's choose the port number. So this is the port number of NodeMCU, and now I'm uploading the sketch right over here. Okay, so the purpose is this NodeMCU will be tracking value from the ThinkSpeak. So this time NodeMCU is not going to supply data to ThinkSpeak. Instead, it will be reading data from ThinkSpeak. Data will be provided to ThinkSpeak through a web page which I will be showing you. So this NodeMCU will be reading data as and when it will be updated to ThinkSpeak, and this has to be done automatic. Okay, I will not trigger anything from NodeMCU. It will be just fetching the value the moment, and now you can see the LED is blinking over here. That means the code is uploading. And here let's come to the channel. So if I scroll down over here, there is a binary value of 1 and 0, okay, which I have uploaded few minutes ago. So the uploading is going on. Let the upload gets over, and then I will switch on my web page. Okay, so the concept goes like this. Yeah, uploading is done completely. The concept goes like this: if the value is 1, then it will enable the NodeMCU to trigger this relay. Eventually the bulb will glow, and if the value is 0, then NodeMCU will again trigger the relay so that the bulb will be switched off. The last value which I have supplied is 0, which you can see right over here at 9 o'clock, 9 around 9, this time I have uploaded the value. Okay, so now I will be opening my web page. So let me I can even minimize the NodeMCU code, and here is my web page. This is a web page. Now what the web page has to do, the first thing which is very important for the web page to understand is, let me again I'm closing the web page. I will switch on again. The last value of the ThinkSpeak is 0. What I want is, the moment when the page will be getting loaded, it should show me what is the status. Accordingly, the button should be enabled. What do I mean by that? What I mean is, the last value is 0. That means it is in off state. So the button that should be enabled is on state. So here is my page. I'm opening the page once again. See, the page, when it got open, automatically detected that it's on. The off button is disabled. That means the last value is 0 over here. So the button has automatically detected and it has kept on as active. Okay, so this is something which is very important, because I don't know what was the last value. It might happen that you don't know or you don't remember what was the last value that was there in the ThinkSpeak. So it has to automatically, the web page automatically has to track out the value what was last. So the last value was 0. That's the reason the button on is enabled. So here I have to choose the API key. Let me come over here. Let me choose the API key right over here, and that's the API key I have chosen. So I come over here, and now I go to the text box. Here I put the API key, and now what I will do is that I will press the on button. The moment I do that, it's toggled to the off state, and let me wait over here. The ThinkSpeak value should also get changed, and automatically the bulb also got on. Just see, the bulb is glowing over here. That means the moment the value supplied from this button, I pressed this button few minutes ago and immediately the value came over here and automatically the value 1 was transferred over here and the bulb got on. Okay, so this is now the current updated value. Now what I can do is that I can close this particular web page. So it has to, so again I can open the web page. So the moment I will open the web page, what it should remember is the last value that is there is 1. So it should show me the off button as enable. Let's see over here the off button is enable and on button is off because currently it is enable. So I can go for the off button to press. So here I'm putting my API key and I will click the off button. The moment I do that, the value should come over here and automatically this bulb should glow, should get dissolved. Let's wait for a while, and the moment, here it is, and let's wait for the relay to trigger and the bulb got off. I hope you got the point. The whole concept is working with the web page, NodeMCU, relay and the bulb, and in between ThinkSpeak comes in. So again, if I close the web page, I'm closing the web page. So the last value is over here, last value is 0. So that means the moment I open the web page, it should enable the on button and the off button should be disabled. So this is something which you have to keep it in mind when you will develop a web page, something like this. So when you are creating a web page, it should read the last value from the ThinkSpeak and accordingly the button should be enabled. Okay, you should not keep both the button enabled. Rather, you should figure out what is the last value that is there in the ThinkSpeak. Accordingly, the particular button should be enabled. So last value is off. So the on button is enabled. I click the on button, and the moment I do that, the ThinkSpeak will be getting updated. And the moment the ThinkSpeak gets updated, the relay module, and here it got updated, the NodeMCU will detect that value and it will trigger the relay, and eventually you see the bulb is now glowing. Okay, so this is what the whole concept is going to be, and it is very much important in real life scenario. In real life scenario, you do have a web page, and through that web page you can trigger wherever the whole thing is. And remember, this is totally internet based application. That means your value which you are providing in the web page should go to the ThinkSpeak. That means it is connected with the ThinkSpeak, and eventually this particular entire setup can be somewhere else also. See, the whole thing is getting triggered instantly. So that was what this particular video presentation was. I was trying to show you that how can you connect the NodeMCU. This was a code sketch of NodeMCU which I've uploaded, and then which is triggering the value from here and the relay, and according the relay is enabling this particular bulb. So before I sign off, for one more time, let the bulb be enabled because the power of IoT is really boom. And as I already said that I will be using jQuery, and over here the concept of jQuery is being used. As a result, you can find that how a web page can even trigger value to ThinkSpeak and eventually NodeMCU, relay, bulb, all these can work together. And I have a plan to update this particular page in a much far better way, and I will provide a further option over here. So let's wait for those things. Until then, have a nice time. Thank you.